everyone, and once again, welcome to my channel, Antonio Sugoy. Last night, at around 8 p.m., I was so happy because finally, I able to receive an email already from YouTube that I qualified already for the 1,000 subscribers, and thank you so much everyone for the help and support. I am hoping for your continuous support in my channel at salamat talaga ng marami sa mga nanonood ng video, sa mga nag-subscribe. So before I reach 1,000 subscribers guys, I already had a plan to go live stream para naman mapasalamatan ko kayo at makausap ko kayo online. So what I did was, I ordered already something online that I'll be using for my live stream, and today we'll be having an unboxing, and I want you all to see this first gadget that we'll be using for our upcoming live stream. So abangan po natin anong laman nito. But before we have to open this one, since today is Father's Day, then I would like to grab this opportunity to greet all the fathers there, and I would like to start with Tatay Carlos Clarito. Happy Father's Day to you. Kuya Benji Makatuon, Uncle Leon, Uncle Malilang, Manong John Itibobot, Manong Toto, kay Romel, kay Kikit, Toto Arnel Galilea, Kulabit, Happy Father's Day! Randing Brothers, di na tamo maisa-isa kay Daghan man gyud mo. Happy Father's Day sa inyo tanan. To all my friends out there, Happy Father's Day to Jojo Bermudo and brothers, Jubert Bakunahi, Elvin Carabali, Manong Bonjong Fin, Happy Father's Day to you, kay Manong Dondon, kay Janggol, Kuya Ariel Bautista, Kuya Raal Paniola, Sir Romy Hirao, Ray Pascua, Arnold Caballero, Nelson Blanco, my friends Janice Calona, JB Tuason, who is always there to watch my videos. Thank you so much for the support. And to the YouTubers who helped me a lot, Bots Valdez, Country Family from Madrid, Spain, thank you so much and Happy Father's Day to all of you. To all my cousins, my pamankins, my friends, na wala na mention but you are in my heart, Happy Father's Day to all of you. And thank you for nurturing your kids to be a better citizen in the future. Again, Happy Father's Day. So we'll now go on unboxing this gadget that we'll be using for our upcoming live stream. So ayun na nga guys, for our upcoming live stream, I really ordered this one online since we still can't go to the mall. So I used Lazada, and thank you Lazada for the good service so far. So I ordered the BM800 condenser microphone, which the brand is Thai. So it's a local brand in Thailand. So malalaman natin kung maganda ba yung laman or ano kaya ang mangyayari nito. It has a warranty of 1 year and it's a Ghost microphone with wire. The review of this microphone is 4.7 out of 5 with a 5-star response of 448 out of 532 customers. So medyo maganda yung review. So I hope papasa rin siya sa atin. So before we have to open, I want to tell you the features of this microphone. As I said, it's a wired microphone. The mic cable is like 3.5 meter. Pull-out pattern is unidirectional. Frequency range is 20 Hz to 16 kHz. Impedance is 1000 ohm. Sensitivity is 38 to 2 decibel. Package weight is a half kilogram, so medyo maliit lang siya at magaan lang siya dalhin. So I hope hindi ganun kaliit ang laman. Product size is 15 by 4.5 by 3 centimeters, and the package size is 29 by 19 by 7.5 centimeters. So ganun ang kanyang specification guys. So I'm now excited to open this one. So join me as we are going to unbox this microphone that we're gonna use for our first live stream. And I hope you would continue to support guys as I'll be doing it very soon. Okay, buksan na natin ang mahiwagang kahon. Ingat lang po pag magbubukas tayo. Mahirap ma-hospital ngayon at may COVID. Okay. So, this is now the box. The front side of the box, it says professional condenser microphone with patented audio reference companion for crystal clear sound. It is a legendary vocal condenser microphone. So let's look at the features guys at the back. So it's said in the box, it's suitable for small recording studios for professional recording. Built-in elastic shock absorbers to prevent friction noise. Delicate warm tone suitable for vocal and acoustic instruments. Low background noise and high acoustic pressure level. So that's the feature in the box. So let's continue to open this one. Let's not destroy the box, guys. Oops, the other way. Okay, so first we got is this one. And then the manual. Broadcasting and recording microphone. So let's continue to open. Then we have here the main microphone. So this is the main microphone. And we have the foam. So this is the noise reduction. I think this is for noise reduction. So balik natin dyan. And of course, the wire. This is 3.5 meter. And the holder. And of course, another holder. So, maganda naman siya. But the challenge is how could I connect this one to my laptop? And of course, the stand. So, completos ricados. May stand na siya. So, I hope maganda nga talaga at makunik ko na siya very soon. And then, the connector. So we can connect this one to our laptop because it has a USB connector. So far, yun ang laman ng ating box, and I'm really excited, guys, to go live stream for the first time, and I hope you're gonna support me all the way, and I'm excited for your thumbs up there, guys.